Oh, hi. My name is Ram Pusham. I'm an enterprise architect with Oracle. And today I want to show you a quick demo. Um, where there is always a need to move data from one bucket to another bucket within the same tenancy or within the same region or across regions. So I found that this tool, Rclone, to be very, very handy and very useful, actually. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do this. And I created a spreadsheet that will generate the necessary script for you. So let's go through that very quickly. So here the demo is going to be like this. I got two tenancies, one on the left side. This is in the Phoenix region, and this is on the right side, which is Ashburn region, right? And this is the region, and I got a compartment called R portion here, and I also have a compartment here on the right side. And there is a bucket named R portion in the same compartment, also same here. And I got a folder here with sales, and I got a bunch of files here. And I want to copy these files, including the folder, to the right side. So as I said, this you could use it for copying files within the same region or within the same tenancy. But this, this is a script that can help you to do copying of files across all these scenarios, right? It can address all the scenarios. So the steps are like this. Number one, for this each tenancy, you need to download the API key to your local laptop, right? And what that means is, for example, here, you go into the user profile, and there is the API keys, and you can say, I want to create a API key, and you download the private key, and you don't really need the public key, but anyhow. And then, so that you need to have that, and it will also show you what is the actual API key for you. All right, and the fingerprint, I mean. So that's what you need to do, and you do the same thing for the target side. So you copy the your private key files to the local laptop, and then after that, the scripts in this particular spreadsheet should help you. So this is how it looks. First, you need to just in the spreadsheet, what you do is you update your Bastion IP. So because you need a Bastion, by the way, I didn't talk about that much, but yeah, you need to have a Bastion either in the target tenancy or in the source tenancy. It doesn't matter where you have it. So what you do is within that, you copy the PEM files from the laptop to this Bastion, that is the first one. Then you configure the Rclone, then you run the Rclone. So all these things are automated using this particular spreadsheet. So you enter the IP address here, you specify what is the private key to access your Bastion, and then you enter your tenancy name, the region, your all these things. Right? You enter the attributes, all the things that you see here, and then what you do is actually, yeah, you can after you enter all these attributes, all these variable values, then what you do is you go to this one, and you just log into the Bastion. So that's what you do here. Just paste it. And that will take you to the Bastion. So then you install OCI CLI. I mean, I already done that. Then you create these two directories. That's the first step. Then the second one is copy the PEM files from your local laptop, right? From your local tab. So this is the SCP command. So this is the first PEM file. This is generated, by the way. You did not enter anything. You can see how I generated this command for you. So same thing for the second PEM file. Then after that, I already did this, by the way. Then what you do is you create the CLI configuration file, So you just copy this entire thing and paste it into this Bastion. So what it does is actually it creates the see this one OCI CLI configuration files for you. All right. So that's what so those are two configuration files it creates, and then after that you create the configuration file for the Rclone. So Rclone also as a tool requires a configuration file. So just copy this. Again, these are all things generated by the spreadsheet. So within the spreadsheet. So that's you just copy this and just paste it into that Bastion window. Then after that, what you do is you want to copy the folder, right? So just copy this and run it in this window. Then it's going to copy the files. So let me show you on this side. Let me go to the buckets. So in this, this is my bucket, and there is a folder called sales, and it has got a bunch of files. And on the right-hand side, I got same bucket name. And then, but you see, I don't have any, that folder is not there. The sales folder is not there here. So when you copy that command from the spreadsheet, which is again generated, just copy that and paste it in here. And then it's going to copy those files to this side, right side. So let's see there. So here, if I mean, this should be over within a few seconds. It's not a lot. It's not many files, not huge files anyway. So if I just refresh this, you should see that particular folder here under the same bucket. So our portion C, this is the bucket. See this? So now you can see those files. They just copied over now. This is the UTC time. It is 5 o'clock here. So this is UTC time, which is 21:10. All right. So it's very simple. So very quickly, just to recap, enter all your attributes here, all your variable values here, and then just log into the Bastion, install OCI CLI and the Rclone. Sorry, this one. Rclone, by the way, it's already installed. If it's not installed, you need to install Rclone, and then create the configuration files for the CLI, OCI CLI, create configuration files for the Rclone, and just copy the files just using this command. So it's very, very simple. Hopefully, you find it interesting. And if you have any questions, let me know. I created some README file here. So if you want to reach out to me, you can do that. All right. I'm going to post these documents. You can find these documents, links for the documents in the notes section of the YouTube video. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.